To briefly demonstrate this, I want to show you how this corresponds with our special cutter. We can see on the front we have this guide. This guide works and interlocks with the track on the ruler. By placing this guide over the track, that keeps us tied to our ruler so that we're less likely to move or swerve away from the ruler's edge while cutting. We're going to briefly demonstrate that here by getting a piece of fabric. We'll just go ahead and take this fabric, place this down here on our surface. Again, you can see that how by coupling the TrueCut products, we do end up with a cutting experience that really is enhanced, a lot easier, definitely safer with some of these built-in features, and a lot more accurate. I'm going to simply expose the blade for cutting, and that can be done by simply lifting the guide out of the way. The other thing that's great about this is with our Comfort Curve handles, we can hold this in multiple ways. We can hold it as we would a normal cutter with our hand or thumb to the side. We can also put our thumb over the top. A lot of the quilters that we've talked with feel that this gives them a lot of additional power, so they have less strain on the wrist or on the arm, thus helping eliminate a lot of that pain that is associated with other cutting. We can also take our index finger and place that over the top as well. I'll show you cutting this with all methods. Again, the guide goes over the track. I'm simply going to go ahead now and push down that ruler's edge. You can see how easily that just glides along that tracking system with their guide. I'll go ahead and move my thumb to the side. Again, the same process we're going to have in cutting. Thumb to the side, we simply put a little bit of pressure, which allows us to cut. I'm going to put my thumb over the top again. We have, again, a lot of people that like the additional power they can get by putting that thumb directly over the blade. Again, a very unique feature is by putting that blade underneath the hand, we're able to keep our wrist very straight and uniform, again, eliminating any additional pain or tiredness that we might get in our wrist or our arm. This process can be used over and over for hours of cutting, helping provide you with an easier, safer, more accurate cutting experience. Go ahead and visit one of your local dealers to pick up your My Comfort cutter, or feel free to call us at 1-800-264-0644 to try the My Comfort cutter in 28 millimeters, a 45 millimeter, or a 60 millimeter size.